Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change Discord profile picture, or you can say avatar. For that you just need to open Discord, and from there you just click user settings, as you can see here. After clicking user settings, click on my accounts, and then you will find edit user profile. Click this. After clicking this, you will see that a pencil. You see this pencil, you can click here and change your profile, and alternatively you can just change your profile from here. As you can see, there are two profile styles. One is a regular image and one is GIF. For this you will need Nitro, which is a paid subscription, but for this it's free. All right, just click it and select a picture, and you can crop your picture from here. That's it. Apply. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.